Hello, Shamanettes, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So today we are diving into one of fall 2025's hottest makeup trends and making it applicable and fabulous for mature women. It's called the Toasty look. I love that word, toasty. Think warm bronze tones, soft, blurred skin, and a radiant glow that flatters mature skin. This is not about heavy contouring or matte finishes. It's about a breathable, toasty, lit from within look that feels modern, confident, and age embracing. I love checking out beauty trends and then laughing at the ones that are not relatable. You've done it too, right? And then trying the ones that are. So as a pro-aging advocate, it's all about being true to yourself and your own beauty while embracing trends in a way that works for you. If you don't know me, I'm Suzanne, a makeup artist for 20 plus years in television, a licensed esthetician, and a content creator for women over 50. So my lovely model and friend Sally is here to help us bring this trend to life. Let's do it. Step one, let's start with our base because fall 2025 is all about breathable skin with a soft, blurred finish. We're skipping heavy, full coverage foundation and going in with a CC cream, just a light layer to even out the skin tone where Sally really needs it. Notice how we're keeping it sheer and sticking to the main areas around her eyes, nose, and mouth. If you want your natural skin to show through, this gives that soft, radiant base that's trending now. Perfect for mature skin that looks best when it's not overworked. If you need extra coverage on specific discoloration around the eyes or things like dark spots, then use a little concealer over the base. Okay, step two. Now let's warm things up with the bronzer. So this is where the toasty makeup trend really comes alive. Think Sunkissed bronzer because you need a little bit more warmth on the skin as the weather starts to cool down. Instead of a harsh or heavy contour, we're applying bronzer higher on the cheekbone and around the perimeter of the face, where the sun would naturally hit. The key here is warmth, not definition. That's the secret to the toasty trend. It's not sculpted, it's very soft. Okay, step three. Next, let's add a pop of Terracotta or Copper Tone blush, a perfect fall shade that ties the look together. Apply it slightly higher on the cheeks and blend it toward the temples for a soft, lifted effect. This earthy, warm blush enhances the toasty tones and gives that youthful, healthy flush we all love. I also like to add a little to the temples and even the neck so that everything blends together and looks really fresh. Okay, step four. Now for the eyes. So we're skipping the flat, boring brown that so many of us get stuck in. And yes, I too get stuck sometimes. And we're going for dimension with ESPRESSO, TOFFEE, and NEBULA, 3 colors I'm going to use in this video. All of them are beautiful, rich, toasty shades nearly all of us can use. Those deeper, richer tones are trending for fall 2025 and work beautifully on mature eyes. Now I am lining the eyes with a mocha eyeliner and I smudge it a little with a soft brush for that smudgy, blurred liner look that's all over the runways. We're creating a soft, smoky shape with no harsh lines, just blended for warmth for that grunge glam softness that's big this season. And for her brows, I'm using the perfect shade for gray hair called Silver Queen. Just a softly defined lift and filling it in. We're keeping the brows natural, not overdrawn, not too heavy. It's supposed to look very effortless. Okay, step 5. Let's finish with some lipstick. We want a succulent pout that feels hydrated and lush. I'm lining with a neutral liner, then topping with a lip balm in Nude Glow for a soft but glossy finish that doesn't smear into fine lines. This gives that juicy, youthful finish without emphasizing lines around the mouth. It's perfect for fall and perfect for mature lips. It also keeps the attention on Sally's eyes that are not only her best feature, but also toasty beautiful. And there you have it, your toasty fall 2025 makeup look featuring warm bronze tones, soft blurred skin, and a succulent pout. Everything trending that is now perfectly tailored for mature women who want to look modern and radiant. If you loved this look, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more makeup tips for women over 50. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.